What would it mean if you could consolidate all of your face mills in your shop into one? I'd like to introduce you to the new MB45. My name is Justin Wilkes of KYOCERA Precision Tools. Welcome to IMTS 2024. This new cutter is available in a range from about 1.5 to 6 inches. There's one size insert for all of them. All different size cutters are available in coarse, medium, and fine pitch, with inserts and chip breakers and grades for every single material, even a double-sided insert with DLC and uncoated technology for aluminum and non-ferrous materials. It delivers a very easy cutting, fine finish, any material in your shop, all the way from Inconel to aluminum, everything in between. If you're at the show, please stop by and see us at booth 431-546. And if you're not with us today or the rest of the week, check it out on the website or please contact your local sales representative. Again, my name is Justin Wilkes of KYOCERA Precision Tools. Thanks and have a great day.